Do you wish you could add a transparent overlay on your video? For example, you may want to add a transparent text overlay like this. Instead of this. In other words, overlay with the background removed. You can easily do it in Capcut by following these steps. First, import the main or the background video. Next, import the overlay. This will be the video of the text with the background color. The first step is to drag the main video to the timeline. Next, drag the overlay above the main video. Resize the overlay to the required size. Then, choose Cutout from the right menu. Next, select Chroma key. Then, use the color picker to click on the overlay background. Once the background is removed, adjust the strength of the overlay. You may also want to adjust the shadow. Let's now try playing the video. We have successfully added a transparent overlay to a video in Capcut. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.